Shubor naga Snem jong unong san Hima.
Ka Indian Council for Cultural Relations ICCR kala Rakhe ka lingko Jingdap Snem ka bahanyo pusaw jongka ka balalong ha ka sngi balang ka khalar tarik ubnaya yong arajar arpulai ha usoso tham auditorium hagni ka sngi le don langru ulat ka jilla phagu chauhan ubalalong gum kongsan bade ka jing pjang sngoba ya ulat bade ki ba shakhot sngoba la le ki Khynnah Pule jongka ICCR na shabari haba kren hagni ka sngi halor ka phang Indian traditional culture and its cultural exchange around the globe, Dr. BDR Tiwari IAS Ulaong. Baki breu ki bana shabari ki snopla habaki yo snow ba ki breu na po kani gejilla habaki ai kubulai khatdo hadin gajinya kendo jongki ki jupen kham ne ai do kwai ba utumpo harangkat ka jingta ya ka shun ka balong ru kum ka dak ka jing ai snobha da ka jing e kabadai shibenta ka riti ka dustur jongki breu napo kani ka jella layo ru ka jingkren play ya kani ka program da UN Munish Singh zonal director ICCR Northeast ka jingshat na ki Khynnah Pule ka ICCR Nabari ka jingshat pliang ka jingshat wangala bat ka shat masti bat ki wei ki jat jingshat na ki jat benreu ba pher
संबंध के लिए ICCR कल्चरल एक्सचेंज प्रोग्राम के माध्यम से भारतीय संस्कृति को बढ़ावा देने में सहायक रही है। मुझे खुशी है कि भारतीय संस्कृति संबंध परिषद द्वारा प्रशासित भारत सरकार के विभिन्न योजनाओं के तहत विभिन्न देशों के छात्र उच्च अध्ययन के लिए भारत आए हुए हैं। मुझे पूरा विश्वास है कि सुदूर देश में से आए हुए आप सभी छात्रगण भारत में एक नई खोज तथा अच्छे यादगार अनुभव के साथ अपना समय व्यतीत कर रहे होंगे। भारत के यशस्वी प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी वसुंधरा कुटुंब के विचार साथ एक समृद्ध संस्कृति, मुझे उम्मीद है कि आपको नॉर्थ ईस्ट इंडिया की समृद्ध संस्कृति विरासत का अनुभव करने का सुनहरा मौका मिलेगा। मुझे बताया गया है कि आप सभी छात्र अलग अलग देशों से जैसे मिस्र, चाद, लिफोथो, साउथ सुडान, नाइजीरिया, कोमोरोस, अफगानिस्तान, मलावी, सीरिया, तंजानिया, जिम्बाब्वे, इथियोपिया, थाईलैंड, नेपाल, बांग्लादेश, श्रीलंका से भारत आए हुए हैं। आप सब अपने देश के संस्कृति के दूत हैं। हम सब अतिथि देव भाव की भावना से आपका स्वागत अभिनंदन करते हैं और आप सभी छात्र को मेरी तरफ से बहुत बहुत शुभकामनाएं। मैं पुनः श्री एन मुनीष सिंह जोनल निदेशक ICCR नॉर्थ ईस्ट और उनकी पूरी टीम को इस यादगार आयोजन के लिए हार्दिक बधाई देता हूं। धन्यवाद। जय हिंद, जय भारत।
Zonal offices of India that we have, like Bangalore, Mumbai, Delhi, like that we are celebrating all in these places. Today, sir, we started our celebration of 74th Foundation Day by a sports meet. We had a sports tournament between ICCR foreign scholars and our local students at St. Edmund's College. It was a good match. Then for girls also we had a volleyball tournament, which was also very well appreciated. And I may not inform you who win or who lost, but the main attempt is to have that friendship and the brotherhood culture. So that is very important, and I believe ICCR plays the major role in this, having a good relationship with, India and most of our friendly countries that we have.
Habakren hadin balawai ke jingyalang nakalyang jong Munish Singh ulaong baladon prahadu khandai hajar ngut ki Khynnah ki bapuli he ki school ba pher hapo kari India bad hapo ka than satelam mingi ki don palat lai spa ngut ki Khynnah ki bapuli ha ki school ba pher kumagalong menta mat ka jing angnot kalong ban wanra susu ki Khynnah puli namar kumbala benahi ba ka nong ba shlong ka de ka jaka ka bas ngotenat tam na ka benta ki bre ki mana sabar kari bat ngait scam kin kambun susu ki Khynnah ki ban penrung kerteng na ka benta ki jing puli ki basalor ha ki Snem banwan ulo ongru ki babon ki Khynnah ki wan sapo ka nong ba shlong kalong namar ka don ye shibon ki jaka puli ba pher bat ka jinglong jingman jong ka snongru kalong ga ba itnat bat shngai.
All India, around 8,000 to 9,000 students, at the average is there at present, who are doing studies in different universities in India, doing higher education like that. And in Northeast, at present we have more than 300 plus students in different universities as of now, and we plan to bring in more because Shillong, above all, is a favorite place for foreign students, and we believe more to join in the upcoming academic year also.
Can you tell us, sir, why Shillong is the most favorite place of foreign students?
Because it's an educational hub. The main thing that the students are coming is for their higher education, and institutes like NEHU is really good. And then above that, there are coming up like National Institute of Fashion Technology Institute is there, national level. Then IIM is there. Then we have NII, that is Northeast Institute of Ayurveda and Homeopathy, like that. No, so and the Central Agriculture University, like that. So all these things are the factor for which foreign students would love to come to enjoy their study here, because the mode of communication is also very easy here. Like everyone could understand English and speak. Plus the weather and the place, everything is very friendly here. That is the main thing. For cultural relations, ICCR, Northeast region, we are celebrating our 74th Foundation Day. So today is the occasion, and we are very grateful that Honorable Governor of Meghalaya, Sri Chauhanji, Phagu Chauhanji, have kindly agreed to be grace the occasion as the chief guest. And apart from that, we have the vice chancellors from NEHU, vice chancellors from National Law College, and Sangeet awardee Kong Sylvie Pasa, and Kong Skrimleta Khar, Monica Chandaji, and other dignitaries who have make the function event very colorful with their presence. ICCR actually deals with foreign students scholarship that is given by Government of India in different schemes. So today, this occasion that we are doing here in Shillong, it's much in bigger scale for the fact that all the students who are studying in different universities in Northeast India, like Dibrugarh University, Tezpur, IIT Guwahati, NIT Silchar, Manipur University, everywhere, so they have all gathered in Shillong, be together and to join in this celebration. We had a sports meet in the morning at St. Edmunds. We are very grateful to St. Edmunds College because we did a football match with St. Edmunds College and then volleyball for the girls, like that. So and now all of us gathered in Shillong to celebrate the 74th ICCR Foundation Day. Today itself, in other places like we have branches around the globe and other parts of India, there also the same celebration, and especially in our headquarters New Delhi, is going on.